Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 everyday phrasal verbs you need. Number 1, make good. It means to fulfill a promise or obligation, or to succeed after difficulties. Example, the company will make good on its refund promise. Another example is, she made good as a writer after years of rejection. Number 2, work out. It means to exercise or resolve a problem successfully. Example, I work out at the gym 3 times a week. Another example is, we need to work out this schedule conflict. Number 3, chill out. It means to relax or calm down, often after stress. Example, chill out and stop worrying about the test. Number 4, square off. It means to prepare for a fight or confrontation or position oneself squarely. Example, the boxers squared off in the ring. Another example is they squared off against each other in debate. Number 5, back down. It means to withdraw from a position or argument, yielding to pressure. Example, he refused to back down from his claim. Number 6, swing by. It means to stop by briefly at a place, often casually. Example, swing by the store on your way home. Number 7, settle down. It means to calm down or establish a stable life, like marriage or routine. Example, settle down and focus on your homework. Another example is, they settled down in a quiet suburb. Number 8, lay down. It means to place something down gently or establish rules. Example, lay down your books and rest. Another example is, the coach laid down strict training rules. Number 9, pick up. It means to lift something or learn or improve a skill casually. Example, pick up the phone, it's ringing. Another example is, she's picking up Spanish quickly. Number 10, stand down. It means to withdraw from a duty, position, or confrontation. Example, he stood down from the race due to injury. Wow, you just mastered 10 game-changing phrasal verbs. Now test your skills by taking the quiz below. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.